Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Are you certain that Jason is going to support your bid for sole custody? He knows what's at stake.
Ms. Davis?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Mr. Morgan, you've been a close friend of Carly Corinthos for many years, correct?
Yes.
After Carly gave birth to her first son, she became ill and was unable to take care of Michael, so you took responsibility of Michael. Isn't that true?
Yes, I did.
And then after she recovered, you confidently returned Michael to his mother. Have you ever doubted Carly's ability to care for her children?
No.
So in your opinion, Carly is a good mother who deserves to raise her children?
Yes.
Clearly, Mr. Morgan, you're in an excellent position to comment on Carly's fitness as a parent because you have been through and in so many circumstances with her. For instance,
Shut him
difficult
down.
times,
Now
emotional
get
times,
him
and
off the
then
stage.
everyday
There's nothing
emotional
I can do until she's finished questioning him.
That's right.
Now, we've already established that you consider Carly to be a very good mother. Do you think you could elaborate on that?
I mean, Carly loves Michael and Morgan.
I know. Is she attentive? Is she nurturing? Is she affectionate?
Yeah, she's all those things.
I want you to be more specific. For instance, last winter, Carly was pregnant and Michael was playing on a frozen lake and the ice broke. Would you please tell the court what happened?
Yeah, before Michael could fall into the lake, Carly crawled out onto the ice and pulled him to safety. And the ice broke under Carly. The water was freezing. She almost died trying to rescue him. And then they wanted to give her some kind of blood pressure medicine to lower her blood pressure, but she refused because it would have put her baby at risk.
Sounds like a devoted parent.
She would do anything to protect her kids.
Does Carly have a job?
No, not right now. She doesn't.
So she's a stay-at-home mom. So what about the children's father? Would you say that his life is dangerous?
Objection, Your Honor. Clearly leading the witness.
I'll rephrase the question, Your Honor. To the best of your knowledge, Mr. Morgan, can you tell me how many times Mr. Corinthos has been the target of gunfire?
I don't know.
Police records indicate that there are 12 documented incidences where Mr. Corinthos was the target of gunfire. To the best of your knowledge, Mr. Morgan, can you tell the court how many times Mr. Corinthos has been the victim of a bomb threat?
No.
Have you ever been shot at or threatened as a result of working for Mr. Corinthos?
Yes.
Has Michael and Morgan ever been threatened, or have their lives been threatened as
Sonny
a
would
result
do
of
anything
Mr.
to protect
That's
his
not
kids,
the
just like
question that
Carly
I
would.
asked you, Mr. Morgan. The question is, have Mr. Corinthos' children ever been put in danger simply because he is their father?
Yes.
Thank you. No more questions.
Mr. Morgan, you're Sonny's best friend, his business partner. Is that correct?
That's correct.
You're also his brother-in-law, his family, right?
Yes, I am.
So it's safe to say that you have the utmost respect for Mr. Corinthos. You hold him in the highest of esteem.
Absolutely, I do.
Miss Davis spoke earlier about a time shortly after Michael was born where Carly fell ill and was unable to take care of Michael, when the truth is she didn't want to.
Objection, Your Honor. My client was suffering from severe postpartum depression, which is a clinically diagnosed condition.
Sustained.
Thank you.
Allow me to clarify, Your Honor. Carly became depressed shortly after Michael was born. During this period, you were the sole caregiver and was listed as the boy's legal father. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
In fact, you even named Michael after Mr. Corinthos. Isn't that true?
Yeah, that's true.
And when you lost custody and resolved to leave the country for an extended period of time, with whom did you leave Michael in the care of?
Sonny.
And once you returned and saw that Sonny and Carly were together, did you attempt to reestablish your position as the boy's father?
No, I didn't.
Why not? You still love the boy.
Very much so, yes, I did.
Then why not try to reclaim your place as the boy's father?
Because Sonny was Michael's father by then.
So you didn't want to confuse the boy?
I think Sonny's the best man I know. And if I could choose my father, I would choose him. Because I knew he would help Michael the same way that he helped me. That's why I wanted Sonny to be Michael's dad. I knew he'd be good at it.
This hearing is to determine who Michael and Morgan should spend the rest of their young lives with. You've gone through a great personal sacrifice to allow Mr. Corinthos to raise Michael. Do you feel he's fulfilled his obligations as the boy's father?
Absolutely.
Do you think Michael and Morgan should remain in the custody of Sonny Corinthos?
Sonny is Michael's true father. But I think the boys need their mother. I think Michael and Morgan need to be with both their parents.
Your Honor, I'd like the opportunity to redirect.
This is a family court, Miss Davis. We'll follow procedure. Mr. Ward, do you have anything further for the witness?
No further questions, Your Honor.
I'm calling a brief recess. We'll reconvene in half an hour.
How could you do it, Jason? You knew that I needed you
I told the truth, Carly.
Do you understand what I have to do now?
Yes, you need to tell the judge that you and Sonny both love the kids, and you both deserve to be with them.
Well, Sonny doesn't want to share. And now you have backed me into a corner, and I have got to tell the court about the breakdown.
Would you stop thinking about yourself for once, Carly? And think about Michael. I didn't give him up because I wanted to. It was like tearing my own heart out. But it was what he needed. And what Michael needs now is for his parents to make peace, even if you risk losing custody.
I will not give up my
Then you are going to lose him anyway. Because if you make Sonny look like an unfit parent, he's going to make you look like an unfit parent, and the judge is not going to have a choice. He'll put those boys in foster care.
That is the chance that you took, Jason, when you decided to turn on me. I never thought that I would have to hurt Sonny, but I tell you, I never, ever thought that you would have failed me.
You understand what you've done?
Sonny, I told you, if you and Carly made me choose, I'm going to have to do what's right for the kids.
Oh, so you don't mind the kids being with Alcazar? I will not let my kids experience what I went through with Dee.
Carly's not going to let anyone hurt your kids.
Listen to yourself. You're taking her side
No, I'm not.
now.
Carly blackmailed me.
What do you mean?
She said if I didn't say the kids belong with her, she's going to tell the court about your breakdown.
Well, I didn't know that. When did she tell you this? You know what? You just gave her the opening to win this case.
Carly's desperate. She's going to tell everything. How you throw things, how you yell, how you lose your mind. Sonny, the only way to stop is to agree to joint custody. Look, I know her. Carly doesn't have to do this. Just give her a way out.